Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In this video, we will cover expert-level HVAC interview questions focused on preventive maintenance and service. If you want to master HVAC preventive maintenance interviews, watch this video till the end. Let's start.
Question 1. What is preventive maintenance in HVAC? Answer. Preventive maintenance is planned maintenance carried out to prevent equipment failure and ensure reliable operation. It includes regular inspection of HVAC equipment, cleaning of filters, coils, and drains, lubrication of moving parts, early detection of potential faults. Preventive maintenance increases equipment life and reduces breakdowns. Question 2. Why is preventive maintenance important in HVAC systems? Answer. Preventive maintenance is important because it reduces unexpected equipment failure, improves energy efficiency, maintains indoor comfort conditions, lowers long-term repair cost. Proper maintenance ensures uninterrupted HVAC operation. Question 3. What are common HVAC preventive maintenance tasks? Answer. Common HVAC preventive maintenance tasks include cleaning or replacing air filters, checking refrigerant pressure and leaks, inspecting electrical connections, cleaning condenser and evaporator coils. These tasks keep the system operating efficiently. Question 4. How often should HVAC preventive maintenance be performed? Answer. Maintenance frequency depends on system usage and environment. Typically, monthly checks for filters and basic inspection, quarterly inspection for coils and controls, half-yearly refrigerant and electrical checks, annual complete system servicing. Critical facilities require more frequent maintenance. Question 5. What is included in AHU preventive maintenance? Answer. AHU preventive maintenance includes filter inspection and replacement, coil cleaning and drain tray inspection, fan, belt, and motor inspection, damper and actuator checking. Proper AHU maintenance ensures good air quality. Question 6. What is included in chiller preventive maintenance? Answer. Chiller preventive maintenance includes checking refrigerant level and oil condition, inspecting condenser and evaporator tubes, verifying control and safety devices, monitoring operating parameters and trends. Regular maintenance prevents costly chiller failures. Question 7. What is the difference between preventive and corrective maintenance? Answer. Preventive maintenance is planned and proactive. Corrective maintenance is reactive and done after failure. Difference: preventive avoids breakdowns, corrective repairs failed equipment, preventive reduces downtime, corrective increases operational risk. Preventive maintenance is always preferred. Question 8. What records are maintained during HVAC preventive maintenance? Answer. Maintenance records include inspection checklists, service and maintenance logs, spare parts replacement records, equipment performance history. Proper records help in future troubleshooting. Question 9. What safety precautions are followed during HVAC servicing? Answer. Safety precautions include electrical isolation and lockout tagout, use of proper PPE, safe refrigerant handling, proper tool and ladder usage. Safety is critical during HVAC service work. Question 10. How does preventive maintenance improve HVAC energy efficiency? Answer. Preventive maintenance improves efficiency by maintaining clean heat transfer surfaces, ensuring correct airflow and refrigerant charge, preventing system overload and imbalance, keeping controls properly calibrated. Efficient systems consume less energy and operate reliably. These were expert-level HVAC preventive maintenance and service interview questions based on real site and Gulf experience. Like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge for professional HVAC learning and interview preparation.